Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome back to the Crafty Corner. So this is a modpodge basket, y'all. This is where Superman meets PJ Masks meets, oh my God, the Hogwarts Express and Thomas and Friends. And as you can see, the basket is very well color coordinated. Here's our Hogwarts Express pillow with one of the Christmas cups there. And as you can see, I did some foam stickers on this bucket just to give it a little enhancement. So we have our Hogwarts Express ticket as well as our Thomas and Friends. There's a Thomas and Friends coloring book in this basket. We also have our bubbles. There's our PJ Masks puzzle, and we have a Superman puzzle in here as well. We also have another bubble kit, Play-Doh, race cars. And I have placed a blanket in the front of this to go with the Hogwarts pillow in the back. We have some crowns. And this is a little boy basket. And I think that this basket has turned out beautifully. So this is how you put a Mod Podge basket together with a variety of toys, activity sets, and other items for children to play with that don't scream one thing. I enjoy doing Mod Podge baskets, and I also enjoy doing character baskets. So I will be having character baskets coming out soon. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please tell me what you think in the comments about this basket. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.